Alright, I just realized I recorded this whole thing without my microphone being on, but at least I practice now. The incenter is the intersection point of the three interior bisectors of the triangle, which sounds pretty complicated, but the formula right up here is actually makes it pretty easy. First things first, we got to find the distance between these 2 points, or the length of the line, by using distance formula, which we all know and love, which is the square root of 6 minus 4 squared plus 8 minus 5 squared, which is 4 squared, 16. 3 squared is 9. Square root of 25 is 5. So the length of this line is 5. I'm not going to take up your time nor mine doing it with the rest of these lengths. I already have my cheat sheet from earlier still here. This length is 13. This length is 11.31. Great. Now before we plug it in, notice how this is uppercase, this is lowercase. Well, those are two different variables. In this case, A equals the length of BC, B equals the length of AC, and C is the length of AB. So let's write that down here. And this is B. Alright. Now we have our points. We can easily plug them in. This formula is to get x. I'll show you y later. So A 11.31 times x1, which is 2, and then we repeat. B is 13 times 6 plus C, which is 5, times 14. I'll be right back as soon as I calculate that. Alright, this equals 170.62. And then now A plus B plus C, 131 plus 13 plus 5. No, not 131. What? 11.31. That's 29.31. Great. Now it's just division from here, which I'll save you the time. Let's round that up to 5.82. Great. Now we have our x coordinate. 5.82. And y, it's really simple. The y coordinate. Just change anything that says x with y. It's this simple. So now we have 11.31 times 5 plus 13 times 8 plus 5 times 0. That's 5 times 0, which, see with trouble, 160.55. And then this doesn't change. It's still 29 point. What was it? 31. 29.31. Alright. Again, divide 5.48. Great. Now we have our x coordinate. Sorry, y coordinate. 5.48. I have no idea what my x coordinate went. If you remember, that's 5.82. To sum it up, step 1, find the lengths of your sides. Step 2, make sure you've marked down what's A, what's B, and what's C from your different points. And step 3, plug it in. The x formula is a x1 plus b x2 plus c x3 divided by a plus b plus c. And then for the y, just replace everything with x with y. That should be somewhere around, I'd say somewhere around there. Let's pretend it's right there. Alright, that should be it.